Dear President Ursula von der Leyen, distinguished colleagues, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes a revolution can start as small as a doorknob. In the early 20s, Walter Gropius developed a knob which is famous until today. It was one of the early Bauhaus designs, and it says a lot about what the Bauhaus is all about. Everyday objects which improve the lives of the many. The Bauhaus was an international movement. It stands for a functional design in a democratic society, and it stands for the departure into the modern age. This makes the Bauhaus an important role model for today. The central elements of the Bauhaus back then were form and function. Today, the motto could be form, function, and condition. Today's design industry must address the big challenges of today, just as the Bauhaus did 1 century ago. It must be a driving force for the necessary transformation of our times. Because we know it is not enough to make elegant and functional objects. It matters where and how they are produced. Sustainable products and fair supply chains must be central pillar stones of the 21st century design. Maybe the doorknob of tomorrow will be a sustainable bamboo townhouse. Maybe it will be a zero-emission airplane. We don't know what the future holds in store for us. But one thing is for sure, the condition of how design is made will be crucial. Ladies and gentlemen, I am convinced design and fashion have the potential to transform our world, and they also have the potential to establish a more equal global discourse. Every time I travel to African countries, I am astonished by the creativity and vibrancy there. For example, Lagos, Cape Town and Johannesburg have become an essential part of the international landscape of creative tech. Here you can really see the potential of cultural industries as a driving force for sustainable development. We must use this potential. 1 century ago, a doorknob opened the door to the modern age. Today, the doors of the future are wide open. Through the door gap, we can already see what enormous transformation lies ahead of us. Now, we have to grab it and get going. All together, this conference is an important step to this end.